And let's start. Can anyone hear me loud and clear? Lahat ba naririnig ako ng maayos?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about my presentation? Is it visible on your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before anything else, again, thank you so much for your precious time for joining with us today for our online class. And hopefully everyone is listening even if you're at your comfort, no, sa bahay. Even if some are eating right now, and I understand that it's okay once again if you will eat your lunch because it's already lunchtime. For those who did not hear, kanina, I conducted our class few minutes earlier because baka meron kaming power outage dito sa lugar namin, no? So with that, sayang naman kung di tayo makakapag-online class, inagahan ko na a little bit earlier. For those naman na hindi makakasali sa online class, tell your classmates na meron pong pre-recorded video and isa-send ko yung link later para mapanood po nila. Okay? So, is everyone ready? Give me a heart react if everyone is ready. Alright, thank you so much for those who did a heart react. Now, let us start. So, last meeting, which was last Tuesday, we've done our online class, no? Nag-conduct tayo ng online class and we've have a recall. Ni-recall natin yung lesson natin last week under the second to the last lesson in computer science. Now, can anyone give us the recap of our lesson? What is our lesson last week na ni-recall natin noong Tuesday? You may raise your hand. Yes, Kyle.
About po sa table of contents po.
Very well said, Kyle. So, according to Kyle, last time, we've talked about table of contents or the TOC. Now, table of contents is very important. Why? Why is it that table of contents is important? Bakit kaya? Yes, Clyde.
So ma'am, you can find the page easier, ma'am.
Very well said. No, that's great. So, halimbawa, meron kang chapter na kailangan mong reviewin. But, you don't know exactly kung anong page number. So, hindi ka na maghahanap manually, no? You will not waste your time looking for that certain page. You can just simply go to the table of contents and look for that page number. So, that is how important TOC is. Now, when we are going to make a book, no? Lalo na pag nag-college kayo and senior high, tatandaan niyo to ha, kasi pag nag-college and senior high kayo, you are going to make use of this skill and knowledge. Now, ang table of contents ay hindi po natin na manual. You are not going to do that manually. Now, we are going to make use of Microsoft Word to do the automatic table of contents. And I believe we have had our demonstration on how to do the automatic table of contents. Ginawa na natin siya. Pero, individual and by group, hindi pa natin nagagawa because of the suspension of classes. And good news, kung sakaling meron tayong pasok sa Monday, magagawa na natin siya sa ating SB1 Computer Lab, no? By group pa din naman. So, that's it. So, last time, ang topic natin is the table of contents. This is now our very last topic in computer science under Microsoft Word. And that is none other than pakibasa. Can anyone read the title of our lesson today? Aside from Kyle, sino pa? Yes, how about you, Renzel?
Me, ma'am.
Citation and bibliography.
Again, read it with me. It's citations.
Citation and bibliography.
Alright, thank you so much, Renzel. Please lower down your hand. Now, ano nga ba ang citations and bibliography? We're going to find that out today. So today you're going to learn what is the difference between citations and bibliography. Also, you're going to understand, no? Bakit meron tayong may kasama tayo sa meeting na ano ba tawag dito? Pag nagtatransform kayo,
Lot, ma'am.
Okay, so today we're going to learn how important is citations and bibliography. Kung para saan ba siya, ano nga ba ang purpose? Bakit ba kailangan natin aralin to? And take note of this, my dear students, hanggang senior high kayo and college, gagamitin niyo to kasi gagawa kayo ng research paper. So ngayon pa lang, take the chances and opportunity na matutunan ano nga ba ang use and how to do citations and bibliography. Okay? So sit back and listen very well. So the meaning of citation is, please read. Can anyone read the meaning of citation? Lawrence.
Ay, ma'am.
Hi.
Ano yan, ma'am? Citation, ma'am?
Citation.
Okay, ma'am. Citation is a way of giving credit to the original source of information, ideas, facts, or words that you use in your own work.
Alright, very well said. Now, listen up everyone. Alam ko yung iba sa inyo nagbabasa ng libro. Kung hindi nagbabasa ng libro, nakikinig ng music. And agree with me kung halimbawa na experience yun na to, meron kayong nabasa somewhere, maybe an article, a book, or somewhere in Facebook na nabasa ninyo quotations na tumatak sa isip ninyo, tapos nag-share niyo sa iba. Now, we have to cite sino po ang nagsabi nun, sino ang author, sino ang writer. Kasi po, kapag hindi natin sinite kung sinong tao ang nagsabi nun or nagsulat, maaari tayong mag-plagiarize. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin ano yung possible na pwedeng mangyari kapag hindi tayo nag-cite. So once again, citation is very important because we give credit to those who originally written yung words na yon or have spoken those words. So that's why citations is very important. It's giving credit to the original writer or author. Okay? Because it's not your work. Copycat nga, di ba? It's not your work. Pwede mo namang kopyahin, pwede mo namang sabihin, pero dapat sabihin mo, sino ang nagsabi? Sino yung kanino nag-originate yung mga words na yun? Okay? Now, for our next meaning, sabi dito, citations is, can anyone read? How about you, Samira?
Apo. Citation. Telling your readers where you get your information.
Very well said. So, since hindi nga siya galing sa atin, hindi galing sa ating pag-iisip, ito ay nakita lang natin, narinig, or nabasa somewhere, ito po ay kailangan nating sabihin kung kanino po galing. So, para malaman ni reader, okay, si ganito pala yung nagsabi. Si Shakespeare pala ang nagsabi. According to the Bible pala siya. So, yun po yung ibig sabihin niya. Okay? Next one. Now, for example, here is, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Instead of saying or presenting it as your own words, you could identify where the quotation came from. For example, quotation is the most powerful weapon according to according to Francis Jared Rapal. Ganon yung pag-cite or Rapal 2026. Mamaya, bakit kaya may year? Mamaya malalaman nyo kung ano nga ba ang proper way to cite a source. Okay? And ito na po ang mga purpose. Bakit kailangan natin gumamit ng citation or bibliography? Pakibasa ang number 1. Can anyone read the number 1? Yes, Francis, Jared.
Ma'am, excuse po.
Yes, dear.
Pa-accept daw po si Jasmine.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ma'am, go na
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, go.
Number 1, give credit to the original author.
Okay. So, sabi dito, give credit. Thank you so much. Wait lang ha. Admit ko lang. Minsan kasi hindi na lumilitaw yung mga kailangan i-admit kasi nagsimula ng mga klase. Kaya
Ma'am?
important. Yes.
Pati daw po si Ayesha.
Okay, admitted na sila. Alright, so thank you so much, Jared. Sabi dito, give credit to the original author. Katulad ng binanggit ko kanina sa inyo, it is simply telling the reader that these words are not coming from you, rather it's from others. Okay? So giving the credit, simply giving the credit. Number 2, can anyone read number 2, please? Can you please read that for us? Megan.
Avoid plagiarism or claiming someone else's work as your own.
That's very well said. Did you know that plagiarism is a crime? So kapag or na-copyright tayo, no? Ito po ay isang legal crime. So crime po ang pagkokopya ng anything that is not your own. Di ba I don't think if alam niyo to, no? Merong isang online platform na shopping, online platform na kung tawagin ay Shein. Marami daw nagreklamo ng mga artists na kinakopy daw nila yung work of art nila. No, ang Shein, ginagawa ng Shein is yung work of art ng mga artists ay nilalagay daw sa mga damit or sa mga bag. So, nagreklamo yung mga original artists, no? Kasi nga, wala silang copyright. Walang proper, no, way of saying the resource. So, kung kanino galing. So, that is
Ma'am.
very important. Yes, Samira.
Ma'am.
Anyone? May
Ma'am,
gusto ba kayo i-share?
Ma'am, di ba po kapag kinakopy mo po yung work ng ibang tao without credit, illegal po yun?
Yes, that is what we call the copyright infringement as well as the plagiarism. No, lalo na kapag halimbawa, meron tayong assignment. Did you know that simply copy-pasting your assignment from other sources is already plagiarism and copyright na yun? Kaya kailangan i-indicate po ninyo saan galing information. Is it from a website? Is it from an article? Is it from a book? Or somewhere else? So, kailangan po ninyo always include kung ano po ang inyong reference, kung saan nyo galing. Okay? So, number 3 on the list. Can anyone please read number 3 for us? Okay, we have here Ian.
Number 3, show that your information is reliable. Sorry, ma'am,
Reliable.
nabubulol po.
It's
Nabubulol
okay,
lang,
Ian.
ma'am.
It's okay. Thank you, Ian. So, sabi ni Ian, show that your information is reliable. Pag sinabi reliable, mapagkakatiwalaan, it's trusted. Ibig sabihin, credible. Makatotohanan. Okay? Lalo na yung mga iba sa atin, kapag halimbawa nag-search sa internet, as long as makita mo na yung keywords, you thought it's okay to copy everything na. No. You have to proofread. When we say proofread, read it again. Basahin mo, word by word. Baka naman yung makopy-paste nyo, no, is hindi naman pala tama. Meron ako naging student before, I will not mention the name. Nagpa-assignment ako sa kanya. Kaya lang, huling-huli na galing kay ChatGPT. Bakit? Ang question ko kasi na assignment nila is this. How do you feel about the movie that we watched last meeting? So, ibig sabihin, emotions sa pinag-uusapan. Kasi feel, di ba? Ang AI, hindi naman nakakadama. Alam niyo ba ang sagot niya sa kanyang assignment? Sorry, I am just a robot and a robot cannot feel an emotions. Yun yung exact sagot niya. Akala niya yun na yun kasi nga nag-copy-paste lang siya. So, kailangan pa natin na improve po, no? So, reliable dapat ang information.
Ma'am.
Alright? Yes.
Ma'am, anong grade nandiyan, ma'am?
That was 2 years back, no? Grade 7 pa lang siya nun.
Huh?
Yes,
Mamayos lang
okay.
po, ma'am.
Number 4. Let's have number 4 on the list. Can anyone read the number 4 for us, please? Adrian? Yes, Adrian, we can't hear you. Okay, let's go on Zoe.
Number 4 po, ma'am.
Yes, number 4.
Help readers find the original source.
Very well said. See, for example, ay, ang ganda naman ng wordings na to. Ang ganda naman ng quotation na to. No? Na-touch ako. Gusto ko malaman sino yung nagsabi nun, sino yung nagsulat nun, sino yung original author. So, your readers will then be directed kung kanino talaga siya galing. Okay? So that is one of the purpose. And the last one on the list, Jasmine.
Support your ideas with evidence.
Alright. Minsan kasi, kapag idea lang natin or opinion lang natin, hindi naman makatotohanan kasi nga opinionated or galing na sa sariling ideas natin. Para ma-prove natin na somehow totoo yung ating own idea, we're going to make use of sources to support. Halimbawa, sinabi mo na let's say for example, ang sinabi mo is, ICT is very important in everyday lives. Saan galing? Sino nagsabi? Baka opinion mo lang. Baka own idea mo lang. Do you have anything to prove, any sources to make use of to prove that statement? So, yung mga bagay na yun. Lalo na sa debate. Sa debate, di ba, wherein meron dalawang side, kailangan yung sinasabi nila is supported by the sources na credible. So that is the meaning of number 5. You make use of citations to support your evidences or your statements. Okay? And next one we have here, the last one, the bibliography. Let me read that again. It's pronounced as bibliography. Now, what is a bibliography? Salamat. Please read.
Bibliography appears at the end of your paper and gives the complete details of the sources you use. It's also
Very well said. Okay, thank you
reference.
so much. Thank you so much, Fernando. Bibliography is also called as a references. Now, here's the difference. Listen up everyone, patapos na tayo, makinig na mabuti. When we say citations, take note of this. The difference between citations and bibliography is that citations comes after the statement. Again, citations comes after the statement. Bibliography, on the other hand, is seen at the end of the article or of your book. Mamaya bibigyan ko kayo example. So, kung mapapansin niyo, if you have a book with you, let's say your textbook sa sa ibang subject, buksan niyo sila, makikita niyo sa pinakalikod, nakalagay doon ang references other than the index. Doon po kasi nilalagay ang references. Compared po sa citations, it is placed after the statement na sinulat or sinabi ninyo. That is the difference. So, citations comes after the statement, whereas yung bibliography is at the very last page or the last part ng inyong article. Nagets po ba yan? Can you give me a heart react if you understand the difference between bibliography and citation? Okay, thank you so much. Wait lang, may nagpapa-admit yata. Okay, next on the list, we have the example. Tignan niyo muna, bago ako magsalita, tignan niyo muna mabuti. Yan, basahin niyo muna habang nag-a-admit ako. Okay, nabasa na ba? Ayan. Kung nakita po ninyo dito at napansin ninyo, my dear students, my dear SCE Agatha and SCE Augustine, ang difference po nila, sabi ko nga kanina sa inyo, yung citation is the last name. Take note of this. A citation is enclosed in an open and closed parenthesis at yung nasa loob ng open and closed parenthesis is the last name of the author followed by the year kung kailan na-publish yung book or article. Once again, a citation is inside an enclosed parenthesis wherein meron po siyang last name, comma, and then the year kung kailan na-publish ang article or yung book. That is a citation. On the other hand, sabi nito, sa dulo daw, sa pinakadulong-dulo, ang reference or bibliography. Now, ito po nakikita niyong reference na to is an APA style. Marami po kasing style, malalaman natin later on, no? ang reference or bibliography goes like this. So the last name, the initial of your first name. Let's say, for example, Buhiya, T. Tuldok. Tapos, open and close parenthesis, 2026. So, yun po yung example. Period. Yung kada period, kada punctuation mark, hindi pwede makalimutan yan. So, period, the title of an article or a book, and then yung publishing company, which is ABC Publishing. Yes, understood the comma and tuldok. Very well said, Nagan. So, comma and tuldok is very important. Tandaan nyo to. Sa English subject nyo, baka hindi nyo pa ito napapag-aralan, but sooner or later, you are going to encounter this and will remember na pinag-usapan na natin to. Ay, okay. Thank you, Megan. Okay. It's fine po, tuldok. Okay. So, thank you. Tapos na, tuldok. Tutuldokan na ba natin, no? Okay. Ayan. Sige, last na lang. We're almost done. So, this is an example that I've given you. Tignan natin mabuti. All eyes on my presentation. So, let's have an example. Last time, if you could still remember, last Tuesday, binigyan ko kayo ng assignment. And that assignment is about you're going to search for three references, either from a book or an article, wherein you have to write the source, the name, the title, the date of the publishing, and the publishing company. Okay? Ngayon, eto po ang example. Makinig kayo mabuti. So, this is from a famous line, no, sa isang book. So, book galing to ha. Pwede pong website, pwede ding article. So, it's up to you saan galing. Pwedeng title ng song or from a Bible, no? So, dito
Ma'am?
po, yes.
Ma'am, parehas tayo, ma'am.
Every book, ma'am, may ganyan po.
Every book may ganyan?
Apo.
Yes, definitely.
Ma'am, parehas tayo, ma'am.
Pares pa tayo. Okay, this is an example. Tignan niyo mabuti. All eyes on my presentation. We're almost done. So, ito po yung aking title. Ay, sorry, ang line na kinuha ko. Sabi dito, it is only with the heart that one can see rightly, but as essential is invisible to the eye. So, ang source natin is, ang author, si Yoxpree, and then si title natin is The Little Prince, date or year is 1943, and then the website or the publisher or the company is the Reynal and Hitchcock. So, ang citation natin is, tignan nga natin mabuti, paano yung citation natin? Sige nga, bago ko pakita yung aking sagot. Can anyone give us the answer? How to cite this one? Merong 5 points sa quiz. Wala? Ay, may nagtataas ba?
Ako.
Sige, let's call on Guillermo. Renzel.
Ma'am, tama kaya?
Sige, Lawrence.
Yung ma'am, say tapos expiry, ma'am.
Tapos,
Tapos yung
Ako,
date,
ma'am.
ma'am, 1948.
pwedeng i-type mo. Sige, type nyo sa ating in-call messages.
Oh my God.
Type nyo sa ating in-call messages. Si-check ko kung tama ang inyong mga sagot.
Ma'am, ano po yun?
Okay. So, ang gagawin po is isulat sa ating chat box dito kung paano po ninyo isa-cite, citation, no? Yung nakalagay na line dito sa ating presentation. And then, check ko. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Okay, ang sabi ni wala yatang nakapagsulat. Okay, so date, mali lang yung colon, no? Hindi siya colon, it's supposed to be a comma. Tapos si Lawrence, kinulang ng comma. Sabi ko sa inyo, ang comma is very important. Kinulang lang ng comma yung kay Lawrence. Tapos dapat hindi siya capital letter.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. Thank you for trying, everyone. I appreciate sa mga nag-try. Now, let me tell you this. No? As a general rule, pag sinabing may hyphenated siya, di ba? Pag hyphenated, it's either yung pong last name, yun yung pinaka-surname niya. Okay? So, ang sagot po natin dito is Exupery 1943 as a citation, and this is now the bibliography. Last name, the initial of your first name, which is si Anton, and then the year, comma, the title, dot, Reynald and Hitchcock. Screenshot ninyo para pag ginawa ninyo ay meron kayong sample. Paki-screenshot.
Napag-mix ko po
May
yung
mga pusa dito at matanda. Ano nangyari? Bakit parang may cake tayo dito?
Hi, ma'am.
Ayan. Okay na. Na-screenshot na. Sample niyo yan ha. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. Screenshot niyo yan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait!
Okay na?
Last, ma'am.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay na po.
Okay. So, paki-screenshot din to.
Tapos na, ma'am.
Lang sa GC, guys.
Okay na, ma'am.
Okay, so ito po ang gagawin, no? Ang sabi dito, di ba, tinagawan ko kayo ng tatlong references?
Yes.
Opo.
So, yung tatlong references na yon, per each reference, ito ha, makinig kayo, may magtatanong na naman yan sa GC. For each references na ginawa ninyo, gagawan po ninyo ng citation and bibliography. Mahirap ba o madali?
Madali.
Madali.
Mahirap, ma'am. Masyadong mahapli. At lang yun, ang gagawin nyo lang is you're going to make a citation and your bibliography out of your sources. So, ibig sabihin, tig-isa sila. So, tatlo lang yan. One citation each and one bibliography for each. Do you have any questions so far?
Ma'am, yung hamster niyo daw po.
Yung hamster ko, tulog sila eh. Nocturnal sila pag ganyang oras, tulog sila.
Tulog daw.
Mamaya pas nagigising.
Ma'am, tumatakas yun, ma'am.
Ma'am, yung sa amin, ma'am,
namatay.
namatay.
Ngayon, no?
Ma'am,
Pero nahuhuli ko naman sila. Minsan pumupunta sila sa kabilang cage.
Gian, saan mo nakukuha yung filter?
Ma'am, kasi tap mo yung ano mo.
Before we end, turn on your camera, everyone, as our attendance check. Paki-turn on ang camera natin for attendance check.
Ma'am, nakakatawa.
Oh.
Ma'am, may lolo dito, ma'am.
Kamusta kayo dyan? Namiss nyo na yata pumasok sa paaralan. Namiss nyo na yata yung mga baon ninyo eh.
Ma'am, baon ko lang yan.
Baon.
Turn on your camera, Tristan. Trisha, ayan. Hi, Trisha. Zoe, Adrian,
nasa beach ka pala.
Raymond. All the others. Hindi ko magana yung camera niya. Okay, so,
Tristan.
screenshot.
Naging babae si Francis.
Wait lang.
Jared.
Wag mo na kayong alas ah.
Cinderegla.
Cinderella. Goats yan, ano, Kuya Lawrence. Babies of all the time. Aray, no.
Wait lang, may gagawin lang.
Ang mag-filter ka.
Okay, let's have a picture, everyone. Open your camera, Renzel. Show yourself, please. Eman, show yourself, please. Lemon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, ready?
Ma'am, pag-graduation, ma'am.
Oh, naman. Graduation na agad?
Patient, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone, for your time. Pwede na kayo kumain, matulog, and mag-relax. Meron pa ba kayong online class?
Wala na po.
Wala po, ma'am.
Wala po. Salamat po.
Activities, ma'am, madami.
Ngayon,
Daming ginagawa, ma'am.
Pero today, ICT lang kayo nag-online class.
Yes, ma'am.
pati yung video, ma'am.
Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye. Hope to see you soon.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Birthday.
Bye-bye, ma'am. May tanong po ako, ma'am.